Hey, what's going on? This is one of my clients' dashboard, Shopify dashboard. So, how we made it happen. This is the 30 days scenario, and how he became unable of making 71,000 Danish krona with conversion rate 2.49%, and he had another website which conversion rate is around 15%, which is a lot. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about it. What are the things that he has done and how I helped him in order to achieve such kind of result. So stick around with this video in order to get a good vibe. So first and foremost, he told me, you know, how he is getting customers. He's getting customer from FB ads, and he's getting customers from Google Ads because they are not focusing on SEO right now. SEO, they are not focusing on SEO, right? So for Facebook ads and Google Ads, they used to rely on, you know, Facebook and Google app for tracking, right? But seeing the discrepancies in their ad results, they wanted to track with Google Tag Manager. So they hired me along with my brother. So we worked together. So with Google Tag Manager, as you know, Shopify has made a change, like they have depreciate the custom, you know, checkout page additional script. So we use the custom pixel method that is recommended by Shopify itself. And then with custom pixel, we have set up their tracking for Facebook and for Google with custom pixel and using Google Tag Manager. So we track their Facebook as well as their um, you know Google, Google Ads. So what are the events that we have tracked? We have tracked page view, at view content, add to cart, and initiate checkout and purchase, right? So what is the benefit of tracking it? Because for example, whenever someone comes to lands on your website, this is called page view, and if they lands on your product page, so at the same time, page view and view content event will be fired. When they click on add to cart button, then this will be fired. When they click on go for buying it, that time initial checkout will be fired. But most of the time, for example, their dogs are barking or their cats are mewing, or they don't have money in their wallet so they can't buy. At that time, they are targeting those audience who have added to their cart or initiated checkout, or at least who have viewed a product. So with their retargeting ads, they are getting more, you know retargeting ads, they are getting more sales. And in Google Ads, in Google Tag Manager, there is an option for Google Ads remarketing tag setup. We have set up uh, on their behalf, and we have set up also the server side tracking. This is why their data mismatch has been reduced, right? So now they are getting more fresh data, more accurate data, and this is how the ad platforms are learning more about their business, and their ads are getting more optimized based on the data. So we have for Google Ads, we have set up their purchase tracking, and as they are going to run retarget ads, we have also set up add to cart, initiate checkout, and content event for remarketing tag. And they are running ads, and they are getting this result. So as you can see that they are getting 71, they have made 71,000 or almost 72,000 in 30 days, and their conversion rate is 2.49%. So if I want to add more thing along with this, then I would say that they can focus on SEO, because they are now a brand. People will search with their brand name on Google. So if they can do SEO, then most probably they're gonna grab those people who are searching by their brand name. On top of that, they can do you know, email marketing with Klaviyo, because they can send them welcome flow, and welcome flow makes around 80% of people most likely open the welcome flow welcome email for 80% of the time. So they can send abandoned cart email, they can send you know um, abandoned from browser or add to cart a flow to those audience, or even sometimes they can run weekly promotional email campaigns so that their revenue will be much more higher. So I highly recommend you to first of all set tracking accurately, and then you you need to go for SEO, as well as email marketing. So your ads will be y- your business will be booming. So as they have hired us for just for tracking, we did it. And how the tracking works, this could be your question, how it works. So tracking really works when, for example, tracking works, right? For example, you have visited to my website, and I can retarget you because I have tracked you with my pixel. So how it what they should track? They should Facebook track with Facebook pixel. They should track with TikTok pixel, because most of the people spend their time on TikTok. They can, of course, Google Ads conversion tracking, and this should be, rather than pixel, I can say KPI, Facebook KPI, because for enriched data you need to have it. So Google Ads, and then Google Ads conversion tracking. All right. And another thing they must have is GA4, because based on the GA4 data, based on the GA4 data, they can easily, you know, they can easily make a decision that which channel they should, put money in. um, and they also understand that how their business are working. They will also see the funnel flow, like how many people added to their cart, how many people eventually turn to the initial checkout, and how many people have bought their product. Besides that, I think they should have Microsoft Clarity, right, to better understand that, um, for improving their user experience or improving their UI, or to understand that where the customers feel it uncomfortable or confusing, to make their decision. So they can use this tool, and I can set up this with Google Tag Manager. So if you need this help, please comment down below or message me. I'll be back to you. So thank you for watching this video.